Hi, this is Cheryl back with you from Farmhouse Frugally. I was so excited with today's wonderful haul that I thought I would jump on and do a quick video for you. Here in New England, it is 85 degrees, 99 real feel, so it is rather hot. And so hence the traffic noise. If you hear the traffic, sorry about that, but I gotta have the windows open, no central air here. So today, because it was so miserable, I think people wanted to get their yard sales over with. So I hit three all on the same road, and I cannot even believe the amazing things that I got for $8. It is crazy. So I am going to show you, starting with $1. This beautiful item is made out of that hammered iron, and it has the beautiful copper. You can see that beautiful copper. $1. Same yard sale. Sweet girl happens to know my husband from work, so she was just a sweetie. Gave me this for $1. Same beautiful, well-made patina on that is gorgeous. I am not going to do anything to those because they are perfect the way they are. Then she gave me this for $1, which I think my daughter would like. This has that little bronzy color basket on it for paperwork. The back is probably a, I don't know, bamboo or pressboard. I'm not wild about the back, so I will redo that for my daughter, $1. Nope, this was free, sorry, I stopped at the dump. And I got a couple things at the dump for free. This was one of them. This is a little glass ring holder or whatever, but she loves anything botanical, so I've already cleaned all this. Then also at the dump for free, this basket. I collect these and absolutely love them. I will put a couple of pictures here for you to see how I use them in my kitchen and my pantry especially. We have a company called Peterborough Basket Company here in New Hampshire. Peterborough, New Hampshire is about 45 minutes maybe west here, and they make phenomenal baskets. So whenever I see them, which it's not uncommon to get them at yard sales or even at the dump, I try to pick them up. Then, same yard sale, same girl gave me this for $1. I can't even get over it. She was cleaning out her in-laws' house, and she was just getting rid of everything. And I benefited. I can't even believe how gorgeous this is. Now I'm probably gonna darken that, richen up a little bit on the wood. Otherwise, I love it. So, perfect. Same girl, $1. Two free. And then she gave me this one here, which is so gorgeous, looks brand new. Maybe they got this at Target, I'm not really sure. It looks like something in that Joanna Gaines line, even though it says Provence stoneware. She gave this to me for free because I bought the other things. Go figure, that's crazy. So what an amazing find. Then I went back to the dump. Oh, we went to another yard sale and I got a plant for free, so I'll put a shot in there. The other day I got a plant, pottery plant, the blue that I showed you about in my garden, and so I just tucked this plant right in. A shot in here for you for that free spider plant. Just any plant would be good in there, but she happened to be giving them away for free, so I took one. And third yard sale, all antiques, way too expensive, so I didn't get anything at that one except for a couple of children's books, and I was very surprised at the quality for $1 each. Being a children's book author, I know how expensive it is to produce a children's book, and that mine is a soft cover, and trust me, you do not make any money when you are a children's book author. Maybe if you're also the illustrator, you might make a little tiny bit, but generally speaking, there's not a lot of money in it. And so these books are absolutely gorgeous, and they are hardcover. So this one here is called The Victory Garden, or Lily's Victory Garden. It's gonna be years before I ever even get to read her these, but for $1, so gorgeous. The illustrations in here are so pretty in all of them. Then this one, which I think might be my favorite, is called Twilight Comes Twice, and it is so well written. I've already read this one. I cannot believe how well written this book is. It is, the colors, the beauty is just gorgeous. Talks about dusk and dawn, very sweet. Then this is adorable. Eyes That Kiss in the Corners, a story of a girl who has Asian eyes. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then this one, maybe not my favorite, even though shockingly this is the one with the award. Go figure, it's all about conserving water, which is great and all. I'm all for keeping the planet green. I'm not sure if I'll keep that one, but anyway, $4, 4 beautiful hardcover books. So that was my $8. And then I will show you what I got for free at the dump that is absolutely amazing. You cannot even, just stand by. All right, so I have a king size bed. You can see my blue king size comforter underneath. So clearly this is probably a double or full, but look how clean it came in the laundry. I mean, it has a few little stains. Not really seeing anything terribly torn on it. It is actually in really good shape for 30 years old. It has another mark here. And I know I had seen a tiny little tear in it somewhere. But honestly, how beautiful is that for free? So that is just spectacular. I see that it appears, I know it was made because it has a tag on it, but man, it almost seems like it's hand quilted. I mean, it's really phenomenal how, the stitching appears to be hand quilted. So it is absolutely beautiful. So that was my find, absolutely my best find today. So you'll have to let me know what was your favorite and if you have any ideas of what to do with this quilt. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.